If you're a Claude user and you are using Microsoft Edge as your default browser, one of the things that you're probably asking is, why is there no Microsoft Edge connector or even an extension? So today I'm going to show you and help you install the Claude extension on Microsoft Edge. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to our extensions. Now I have here Microsoft Edge open, and if you click on this icon, that's the extensions icon, and we'll go and click Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. Alright, so just to show you, if we go ahead and check out, search for Claude, there's really no Claude extension here. So what do we do? Alright, so what we're going to do is we'll go back and click that extension button one more time. Let's go and click Manage Extensions. Alright, so from the Manage Extensions, let's scroll down to the bottom and you will see there Chrome Web Store. That's what you're going to click. And here we'll go ahead and search for Claude. And there you go. So Claude in Chrome. We click on that one and then click Get. So add Claude to Microsoft Edge. We go ahead and click Add Extension. Alright, so Microsoft Edge now has the Claude extension installed. Let's go and view an extension. And we'll go ahead and pin this one. And let's go and configure. We'll go and log into our account. So just a reminder, of course, for those who would like to install Claude extension in Microsoft Edge, you need to have a paid plan. If you have Pro, that would be perfect. So if you have the free version, unfortunately, you will not be able to use the Claude extension for Microsoft Edge at this time. So it's only for the paid plans. So we'll go ahead and log in. And I'll just go ahead and enter my email address. Now this will send a verification. Let me open my email here on the other. All right. So we enter the verification. And then we authorize. Okay, perfect. We now have the Claude extension installed on Microsoft Edge. Once you have that installed, you can just go ahead and click on the extension, and then it will open the sidebar, and then just click on I understand. Then click on next, and then next. Then let's go. Okay, perfect.